Evaluate the integral of the square root of x all over 1 plus x with respect to x. First thing we do over here is to make a u substitution. So let's say that u is going to be equals to the square root of x. And we're doing this in order to simplify the integration process. Let's square both sides of the equation. We're going to be having u squared and x squared. So 2 cancels 2, we're left with x, and here we're left with, that means x is going to be equals to u squared. Differentiating u with respect to x, we're going to be having that 2u du over dx is equals to differentiating x with respect to x, then going to be equals to 1. But if you cross multiply, we're going to be having that dx is going to be equals to 2u du. So now let's put this and this into this original equation over here. So we're going to be having the integral of square root of x. We had that equals to u. So instead of writing square root of x, I'm going to be writing u all over 1 plus x. U is equals to square root of x. So we're going to be writing 1. We have here that x is equals to u squared. So we're going to be writing 1 plus u squared. And now dx over here, as we can see here, is equals to 2u du. So instead of writing dx, we're going to write in 2u du equals to the integral of 2u squared over 1 plus u squared du. So we're going to write 2 behind the integral sign since it is just a constant. We're going to du. We're using the long division method or the polynomial division method to simplify. Then we'll be having u squared inside here. And then remember, 1 plus u squared is the same thing as saying u squared plus 1. So we're going to be having u squared plus 1. So u squared divided by u squared, we're left with 1. So now 1 multiplied by u squared is equals to u squared. And 1 multiplied by 1 is equals to 1. So now u squared minus u squared is equals to 0. And whenever we have u squared plus 0 standing alone, it's the same thing as saying u squared. So 0 minus 1 minus 1. So now let's write this in its fraction form. What we got as the product, we're going to be having 1 plus minus 1 over u squared plus 1. This is the remainder. So this is going to be 1 minus 1 over u squared plus 1. Integral of 1 with respect to u will be equals to u, right, to outside, u, minus the integral of 1 over u squared. So when we have an integral with the form 1 over u squared plus 1, to evaluate the integral or even the derivative, is always an inverse of u plus c. Now, we had that u was equals to the square root of x. So we're going to be having 2 multiplied by u is going to be equals to 2u. Since u is equals to the square root of x, we're going to be having 2 square roots of x minus. So the final answer is 2 square root of x minus 2 the tan inverse of x plus c.